Did you know that you take about 22,000 breaths a day? 22,000, seriously. And each one of those 22,000 breaths are really an opportunity to influence how you're experiencing the world, your state of emotional wellness, your state of focus, your state of recovery, healing, and growth. And by understanding a few basic concepts about the breath, we can really dramatically influence our state of well-being, our sense of meaning, our sense of purpose, and our level of energy and vitality. We're going to do a little practice today that uses some basic information and knowledge about the breath to regulate our nervous system and bring us into a state of balance and calm. This is called the 5-4-7 breathing meditation. And those numbers simply stand for counts that we're going to do as we inhale, hold, and exhale. Now, you can experiment with different variations of this. The one that we're going to do together today is an inhale count of 5, hold 4, and then we're going to exhale for 7. Now, I like that combo. It feels really balanced for me. And after just even a few cycles, I feel a shift in my body and my energy. And the important thing is just this, that your exhale should be longer than your inhale. This is just a trick of our physiology, that our inhale emphasizes and triggers our sympathetic nervous system, which is our activity, our adrenaline, our energy, our action system. And focusing on the exhale emphasizes and focuses our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and relaxation. So any breathing exercise you do that emphasizes one or the other is going to have that effect, either to increase your energy or to increase your relaxation. We're going to use this one with that short breath hold in between to activate our relaxation response. And I think you'll find that it offers a sense of calm and focus that you can use moving into whatever you need to do after the practice. Okay? So what we'll do, I'll model it here really quick, and then I'm going to count a few rounds of this breath exercise for you. So we're going to inhale to a count of 5. So I'll say in, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll repeat. There's no hold between the exhale and inhale, just between the inhale and the exhale. Okay? So if you're in a place where you can pause for a moment and be safe, then join me on this practice. If not, come back to this later when you can do this for a couple of minutes without being disturbed or have your mind on other things. Okay? So let's do this together. The 5-4-7 meditation. Okay? Sitting in a comfortable position, letting your shoulders relax, straightening your back slightly, letting that energy flow up and down your spine. If you're sitting in a chair, you can let your feet rest flat on the ground, feeling connected and grounded with the earth. Just noticing your breath as it is right now before we even start the practice. Just paying attention to the sensation of the breath moving in and out your nose. Set a little micro intention for this practice. Maybe you want to be 20% more calm. Maybe you want your mind to feel a little bit more clear. Maybe you want to create space for a solution to come through for a problem you're facing. Go ahead and set that micro intention without any attachment. And then let's just do the practice together now. I'm going to cue the first inhale in 3, 2, 1. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now just release the method, let go of the counting, and just settle into some natural breathing in and out through your nose. Nothing in particular to do, just noticing your breath. Simple sensation of your breath moving in and out your nose, leaving space in your awareness for whatever needs to come through. No attachments to any particular thoughts. Just come back to the breath. Nice and easy, moving in and out through your nose. Now bring attention to how your body feels. Maybe notice your energy level. Maybe notice any physical sensations in your body. Scan your shoulders. Scan your lower back. Scan your hips. Notice if anything has shifted for you. If anything has lightened or loosened up for you. And now listening to your body, bring any movement in that feels natural and go ahead and listen to your body. And kind of move back into full awareness, full awakeness again. And remember that you can come to this practice or any similar practice anytime throughout the day. Sometimes it feels like we don't have time, but the sense of spaciousness that you can create with even a short, simple practice like this will actually increase your ability to think clearly and be more productive. So in a sense, you're actually buying more time by investing in a short, simple practice like this. Experiment. Your life is the laboratory. So experiment yourself. Try a practice like this for a series of days. Commit for at least a couple of weeks and pay attention to the effect it has on your day-to-day level of wellness and happiness and vitality. Just might be the lever that lifts you to the next level of yourself. Good luck.